This is the perfect way to start the day. The eggs are incredible, honey. I'm glad you like them.
Are you all set, Lily? The horses are ready when we're...
All set. I can't wait to get going.
These carrots look perfect for the stew, Thomas.
Just pulled them from the garden. Lily's bread looks great, too.
I'm almost ready to let it rise.
That looks lovely, Lily. You can set the salad right there.
Okay, it smells so good.
All right, everyone, let's eat. This looks incredible, Sarah.
Thank you, Thomas.
Who wants more stew? Feels good to be done for the day. Horses are settled.
Yeah. Sarah and Lily look comfortable out there.